Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wanted to transform your Squarespace website from static to stunning with a looping background video, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to add a background video in Squarespace 7.0, especially using a YouTube link, so you can elevate your site's appeal and really engage your visitors. By the end of this video, you'll have a dynamic background that brings your page to life. All right, let's jump right in. First, head over to your Squarespace website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're at your site's dashboard, find the page where you want that video background. Maybe it's your home page or perhaps a special landing page. Next, click on the Edit button. This is usually at the top corner of the page, and it's your entry point for customizing content. Don't worry if things look a little different depending on your template. All Squarespace 7.0 sites have a similar editing layout. Now you're in editing mode, and here's where we add space for your video. Scroll to the area on your page where you want the video background to appear. Click the option to Add Section, and pick the Blank section. Adding a blank section creates an open canvas. Think of it as setting up a stage for your video, without any distractions from text or other images. Once your blank section appears, hover over it and click Edit Section. This opens up the section's settings so you can control its style and, most importantly, its background. In the editing panel, look for the background option. Click on it, and you'll see several choices pop up: image, color, and of course, video. Since we want to add movement and vibrancy, select Video. Now you'll notice there's an Add Video button. Clicking this gives you 3 distinct methods. You can upload a video file straight from your computer, choose a video you've already uploaded to your Squarespace library, or add a video through a link. Each has its use, but today, let's focus on Add from Link, since YouTube videos are easy to source and great for quick backgrounds. Go ahead and click the Add from Link option. A field appears for you to paste your video URL. For this example, let's grab a link from YouTube. If you already have a video in mind, open it in YouTube and copy the web address from your browser's top bar. Then, return to Squarespace and paste that link into the provided field. Here's where a little patience helps. The video may take a few moments to process and load, especially if it's longer or higher resolution. It's perfectly normal for the preview to take a bit to appear. While that loads, remember, Squarespace will loop the video and mute it by default. So pick something visually appealing and not too distracting. Think subtle animation or scenic footage. Once your video is loaded and displayed in the background, preview your site to see it in action. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Save or Apply. If not, you can always try another YouTube link, swap to a different background style, or adjust your section's content until it feels just right. No need to worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can change this anytime. And that's it. You've got a lively, professional-looking background video on your Squarespace 7.0 site. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're using on your site, or if you have any questions about this process. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Squarespace tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.